Well, news just coming in. The INS Jalashwa has now arrived in Singapore. It will be carrying oxygen tanks, cylinders and other medical equipment that's being needed in India. Let's go across on the phone line to Shivani, who has more details on this. Yes, Shivani, good afternoon. Give us more details on the INS Jalashwa. We understand it's carrying critical equipment.
Nupur, we've been seeing that how the Indian Navy has been contributing to the fight against the pandemic, and various ships are ferrying the oxygen tanks and other medical equipments that are coming to India from abroad. And this is INS Jalashwa, which has reached Singapore, and it will be loading oxygen tanks, other medical equipments, oxygen cylinders, and then it will reach India. And these are the continuous operations that are going on by the Indian Navy. We saw the Oxygen Express of the Indian Navy that has been transporting oxygen cylinders from various countries to India, and then from India's coastal areas to Lakshadweep and wherever this is required to be transported. But the main mission of the Indian Navy has been to ferry the medical supplies, especially the oxygen tanks, because we know that the Indian Air Force has also been transporting these medical equipment, especially the oxygen tanks, the medical aid that is arriving in India from various countries. And Nupur, let's also tell our viewers that around 45 countries across the world have been sending aid to India, supporting India in enhancing the medical establishment, especially the oxygen which was required in India, and especially last 20 days have been quite crucial in adding up to the medical supplies of the country. And the Navy's ships, various other ships also, we've seen INS Airavat, INS Tabar, and here are the pictures of INS Jalashwa, which are bringing in oxygen tanks from Singapore. So this is a continuous operation that will go on until India takes full control of the situation, and that's what the ambassador to India in Singapore has also said.
All right, Shivani reporting on that from the national capital. Thank you. As Shivani was pointing out, various naval vessels continue their operations. They have been bringing critical medical aid back home. And more breaking news.